Everybody here in their numbers. Just one number is great enough for us. These names that have been mentioned here today, they've not died in vain.
No.
They've not died in vain.
No.
They would not die in vain.
No.
Amasorosokeo, our voices must be heard.
Yes.
That's what it means in Yoruba. Sorosoke means let your voices be heard. Let your voices be heard. Let your voices be heard. Let your voices be heard.
Next on the agenda, please.
Can you just allow us to have a quiet moment for a song to be sung for the departed?
Our next song is going to be Heal the World. I don't know if you want to open it. Bless us all.
Great people of the world. Great people of Nigeria. Sadness will not be our portion. We will not mourn anymore. Okay. Our sister here has just got 1 minute to address you. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please, sister.
Greatest Nigerian people.
Great.
I'm glad to be here tonight. And Sorosoke, yeah? I will Sorosoke. Greatest Nigerian people. I will Sorosoke. Because that's the slang. Make it loud and make it very clear. And I will make it very clear tonight. Tonight is not a night to make it very loud. Tonight is a night for sober reflection. Yes. Greatest Nigerian people.
Great.
Tonight is the night for us to sit back and begin to reevaluate and begin to look at what brought us to this point. And I want to say to everyone here tonight, well done to all of you. Many of us are vulnerable to COVID-19, but we have decided to put that aside and be here tonight. For one purpose, because our hearts bleed. We are mourning. People have died in Nigeria. Why? Because they crave for a system that is beneficial, a system that can work. And you can be rest assured that the dead will never get compensation. So for all of you in Greater Manchester, well done to you. I'm vulnerable to COVID-19. I chose to be here now. Greatest Nigerian people.
Great.
My taxi came to my room to pick me up. He's waiting around the corner to take me back home because I'm vulnerable to COVID-19. But the people that died in Nigeria, can we account for their souls?
No.
No. Well done to all of you. And I just want to say 1 minute. We're going to miss them forever. What happened in Nigeria today for everybody to go back to their room and begin to sleep, it shows we don't value life. Greatest Nigerian people.
Great.
But they are dead, they are dead. They are not coming back. And it now lies with us to continue to do whatever we want to do, to appreciate them. They are our heroes. Tonight is not the night to show our skills as activists. Greatest Nigerian people. That's not why we are here. I'm supposed to be in bed, but I came out. I'm vulnerable. I'm vulnerable. I'm vulnerable. I'm vulnerable. I'm saying it to you. But I've decided to be here. Greatest Nigerian people. Let's continue to mourn them. Let's continue to mourn them. Buhari has killed them, and I hope they can get justice. Greatest Nigerian people.
Great people of Nigeria. Great people of Nigeria.
Great.
My words will not be enough to actually show our gratitude that you all came out today. You came out undermining all the odds to actually stand in solidarity with Nigerians. God bless you all.
Bless
I
you.
want to employ those of you who do not know the Nigerian pledge to please Google it up, because
There's power in it.
there's power in it. No matter how bad it is still our country. It's still going to get better. And it's we that we're going to make it better. So can you please Google out the Nigerian pledge, please, so that we could just recite it together as a people. Because once you're standing here with us, even if you're not Nigerian by birth or Nigerian by nationality, you are a Nigerian. Because you are a citizen of the world. Can we recite the pledge, please, if you are ready? I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend our unity, and uphold our honor and glory. So help me God. Great people of the world.
Great.
Great Nigerian people.
Great.
Our pledge speaks volume. I just want to say one or two things out of this. It said to serve Nigeria with all our strength. Had the government of Nigeria today served us with all their strength?
No.
I didn't get that. All right. We are not here to talk about that. I just wanted to get that loud and clear. I want to employ all of you who's got a latest candle to remember where we are standing here. This is the memorial of fallen heroes. We have fallen heroes from Nigeria. I beg all of you to just put your candle back there so that everybody that walks past.
Let's do it in session, please. Yeah. So
one after the other, please.
from that side.
From that side, please, just go there. Leave your candle lighted so that everybody who's been here will know that Nigerians actually came here to pay respect to their fallen heroes. While we're at that, I want to have a quick interview with a few people on our live program. As we're talking to you now, we are live on Talk the Talk. And I also want to employ you guys to gather back here once you're done, so that I'll just give you very vital information.
You can have this. Oh, cheers. Thank you. Oh, come on.
Great people of the world.
Great.
If you've dropped your candle, can you all please come
Back here, please.
Bro.
You're right, my brother. I spoke to you last time.
Yeah.
Just for anybody who wants to speak. If you have anything to say about Nigeria, just wait. I'll give you a minute to talk to you all.
everyone return back to the position, please.
How are you? You good? How are you doing? You can't even...
Once you are done, please, can you all come back, please?
Are you sure?
Great people of the world,
Right.
great people of Nigeria. As you all know, Nigeria, even as we speak today, is being come out. And we are proud that we will not stop talking until we achieve the needed results. We will not stop talking until we know that the government has actually done the 7 major requests of the Nigerian youth. So on the 31st of this month, October, we will be gathered again. We'll be gathered this time in bigger unity as one people, one nation. We'll be gathered starting from 6:30 in the evening on Saturday the 31st in Piccadilly Garden. Please tell somebody to tell somebody that should tell another person to tell somebody that we will be ready to have a match this time. I want to thank you all for actually taking into cognizance the guidelines concerning COVID-19. I could see that you're all in your PPE, and I will employ that those that will be coming out on Saturday should also come with their full gear, your PPE, your hand glove. Your safety comes first, and more so as law-abiding citizens, we should obey the law of the land. Thank you very much. I wish all of you a safe journey back to your houses.
Thanks for coming
And
out.
once you get home, please put Nigeria in prayers.
Please.
Thank you very much.
The struggle continues. Thank you. Thanks for coming out.
Hold on.
Thank you, Nigerians, for coming out. God bless you. Thank you. Talk the talk.